Higher is my story from growing up on Cape Cod and really following my passions, letting nothing get in the way of snowboarding. Along the way, I realized that it's not about standing on the highest peak or not about the descent. It's really the journey, the emotions, the people you meet along the way. It truly is, the journey is the reward.
Tell them that you're not going.
But I like going into the mountains and snowboarding.
But I don't want you to.
Worst part of my job right there, saying bye to my family. It's very easy for someone to sit back and go, he's crazy, he's selfish, to go out and do what he does with family at home. And I struggle with that, but my kids need to see people living life and drinking life up as much as possible.
I really trust Jer in the backcountry. I know that he's very educated, but Mother Nature is unpredictable.
It's warming rapidly, we gotta go.
It is steeper than I thought. Line of my life, man!
What is the real payoff for you, and why do you continue to push that rift to the edge?